Science, Physical Science Team category, project build, design, and development of a vibration-based energy harvester of low-powered electronic applications. Pilipinas RoboSports Tournament Summer Cup 2025, third runner-up. Backsbat 1 kg RC, fifth runner-up. Backsbat 1 kg Auto, fifth runner-up. Pilipinas RoboSports Tournament RoboSports Carnival 2025 fourth runner-up. RoboZ Philippine Robotics Innovation Cup Mission Challenge fifth runner-up. Sumobot 5 kg Auto sixth runner-up. Track Mania fifth runner-up. Robo Hockey Basic first runner-up. Line Following Basic third runner-up. Line Following Advanced sixth runner-up. Backspot 5 kg Auto fifth runner-up. Backspot 500 grams Auto sixth runner-up. Backspot 5 kg RC sixth runner-up. Backspot 1 kg RC seventh runner-up. May mataas na karangalan. Mariel Joy C. Malapitan. Pilipinas RoboSports Tournament Summer Cup 2020.